Fort Worth, Texas.
So you see the wetness of the road, right?
Yep.
Okay, so in Donner Pass,
That's so fun.
when we come down here and stay at a place,
All of the shopping, the downtown.
fog. But you can see there's a little bit of snow. Isn't that expensive?
Crazy. Really nice.